Captain Dixit will tell you about a little bit about the ship and what we are loaded and from where we have come and how we will be discharging.
Yes, we have loaded our cargo of iron ore, parcel of nearly 390,000 tons. This is the raw iron ore, which is loaded from Tubarão in Brazil, and nearly covering 9,800 miles via the Cape of Good Hope. We came here using through the Indian Ocean. Though it was a nice journey, not that bad in the reference to the weather. Of course, Indian Ocean was a little bit choppy. Now we are here, we are waiting for our ship to berth and then discharge the cargo. This cargo will be discharged using the shore cranes, and we expect to take around 6 days to discharge the cargo. After that we will be proceeding for further instructions.
Now presently we are on the over China bridge and this is our Captain Dixit. He will explain you about how the loading of this ship is done. This ship is one of the biggest in world, 4 lakh tonner, and around 35-40 hours we load our iron ore. So he will talk about that.
Our ship, the Over China, total capacity nearly 392,000 tons of the cargo we load. We have 7 oars in the cargo. Cargo being loaded by the conveyor belts. Cargo in the form of little bit pure iron. The ore which is converted to the pure iron being loaded through the conveyor belt. These conveyor belts, they are quite heavy and very lot of capacity. They continue loading the cargo. The cargo is being loaded in the hold wise. This ship is with the 7 cargo holds. Each cargo hold can load around 55,000 tons of the cargo.
You can see the cargo loaded in a hold. Loading is in process.
Number 5 hold.
Now it's the number 5 hold. There are 2 loaders, but at time 1 loader works and 1 is standby. So around 10,000 tons of cargo per hour. Their capacity of loading
loading 10,000
cargo.
But they can go up to 18 to 20,000 tons per hour.
Capacity 20,000 tons per hour. We will talk about why they don't go to the full load, because we have to deballast, means what water we have in the tanks. That I will explain you afterward. Nice sun is rising, setting now, and this is Tubarão Port Victoria. This is Victoria at front near to Tubarão, and there is some other ships also loading, you know. So per day and other ships are also loading. So per day at least 2 ships are leaving from here, around loading 3 to 4 lakh ton of cargo. So this is like moving mountains across the sea.
And I'm a deck cadet. So when we go for loading the cargo, at that time we need to deballast our ballast tanks so that we can take maximum cargo. Once the loading is finished, when we go to discharge port, then we ballast our cargo. Then we need to ballast our ballast tanks so that we can maintain the draft and we can submerge the vessels propeller so that we can move.
This is what we have to do. Other our ship will come out, draft will be changed, and we have, for this purpose, we have the tanks and we have the 3 number ballast pump around 5,000 ton capacity. This is how the loaded iron ore from the ship is removed. Now this ship is standing in port of Sohar, Oman, and we have 4 lakh ton of iron ore loaded. These are called cargo holds. There are 7 in number holds like this. Up to there. And these cranes are called gantry cranes. The cargo is taken up outside and there is a conveyor belt moving which will take the cargo for storing and to the factory where it is iron ore is processed. See the port area. Discharging in China at port of Dalian. We had 4 lakh tons of iron ore which they discharged using their shore cranes, gantry cranes in 2.5 days. You can see the gantry cranes. There are 4 gantry cranes down below is our ship where the cargo was loaded. This is port of Dalian, very big port in China. You can see some ships there far away at anchor. This is how the cargo is removed from the hold from the ship and taken to shore. This is the belt from that cargo is going far away, taken away.
It's been a pleasure sailing with you. Had a wonderful time. Sailed with you in the start for 3 months and then I went home, had a good vacation and good to have you back and would love to sail with you again sometime. Yeah?
This is our captain Suspender Singh. He is a master of this ship and this ship is Yuan Jana and we are standing on the bridge. We are approaching Singapore and he is with pilot. We are after 2 hours we will be anchoring and we will be taking bunkers. Now we are on the bridge of the ship.
Right. Excellent. Thank you.
This is our second officer. He is in charge of the watch. Say something.
So we are just approaching to AEB anchorage area for bunkering this time, and so the pilot is already on board and captain sir is taking command. So and thank you for Yusuf for making a good video on us.
This is our pilot. He has come to anchor the ship. Hi sir. He is steering the ship.
Hello, sir.
Our colleague. Tell your name.
Vinod, sir.
Vinod is steering the ship. Okay.
Pleasure sailing with Parasa. Good to have him back and would love to sail with him again. The bridge and the maneuvering is on and the pilot is on.
Now we are approaching Singapore. Many ships are around. All the ships, 50% of the world ship move, pass through Singapore. Because this is the narrow passage from where Malacca Strait. If you want to go to China or Japan, Korea, other side America, then you have to pass through this one. You have to go to other side to Asia or Europe. From Japan you have to pass. You see many ships are there. Mainly they are anchored. That some of them are taking bunker. Bunker is what we take oil, fuel oil. You can see Singapore at a distance. This is our ship, Yuan Jianhai. As I told you before, very big ship. Will be taking 60 to 100 tons of fuel here to go to Brazil and come back again to China. We need 7,000 tons of fuel. See this ship, there bunker, the small barge is called bunker barge. From that they are supplying oil to that ship. So mainly ship stop here, anchor here for taking bunkers. Different type of ships, container ship and oil tankers, bulk carriers, tankers, gas carriers. See there is one gas carrier, you see that blue color. That is called gas carrier. It carries gas, liquefied gas. Now we are in the galley of Ore China, the biggest bulk carrier in the world. And Harish is our chief cook and Asutosh is assisting him. They both have to work very hard and prepare the food for 25 people on board. And it is always known, the happiness goes through your stomach. So he keeps everyone happy on our ship. And their work goes unnoticed, but they are doing a lot of hard work. Today he has prepared dosa for us. He is preparing dosa. It is early morning and for today we had a dosa for this breakfast. Nice dosa is coming. Now he has almost put 1 year here and he will be going home. So he is very happy. Asutosh also will be going home. You see the galley. There are many equipment, firefighting, oven. This is about cutting the food into fine particles and before goes overboard. Now he is also going to make some sprouted moong. आपको कुछ बोलना है? आपको आप भी बोलो.
Hi friends, my name is Harish Petwal. I am from Dehradun. Today I am really very happy because my sign-off is very near. After today is my sign-off. So long time we are working here. I am so tired, but now I am really very happy. Hi friend, my name is Ashutosh. I am assistant chief cook.
So you have seen that how they are working. Last 4 months I was with them and I am also going together we will go to Bombay. Okay, see you again sometime. This is the dining room of Ore China. This is a pantry. This is called duty mess. When you are working or something and you can't change into better dress, then you can sit down and have food here. This is called recreation room, smoke room. We have a TV and this is a gym. You can see all the equipments are there for working out.
Vessel had died off in China. We can see this is a morning view in China where our ship is there for repair work. These are the cranes. You can see the other ship also, there is out of water and dried up. This is our ship which is out of water, 360 meter long ship. What you can see, this open this thing, they are called cargo holds for loading cargo in that. We load 4 lakh ton of cargo at one time. You can see some other ships are also there undergoing repairs out of water. This is other ship. There is one more ship other side of that. These are very small ship compared to our ship. Our ship can carry 10 times more cargo than this one. Our ship is the biggest ship. This is our ship. Bridge wing. Funnel for the engine water to go out. This is a small crane to receive stores, spares, provisions. This is early morning in China. For last 7 days we are here for repair. This is our ship Yuan Jian Hai. There is some repair. They have made staging for the repair of the funnel. You can see in background there are many ships standing for repair and other job. What you can see, this far away blue is floating dry dock. This is a Pax Ocean shipyard. You can see this yellow color. These are the cranes for lifting material to the ship. You see many ships are there which are undergoing repair up to far away. This is called dry dock. You see this blue color. This is floating dry dock. China is far developed than India. We keep saying that India is progressing, but nothing is progressing in India. Here all these repairs, new building of the ships, lot of things go on in China.